Hello, my name's Michael O'Brien from Coffs Harbour in Australia. I came to the Phuket clinic, It's been terrific. I was sort of a bit apprehensive about what it's going to be like going to the dentist overseas, but it's been a pleasant surprise. The staff here are so friendly. They look after your welfare, your comfort, pain-free. I had a lot of work done, and it's just been astounding, really. I couldn't believe it, and people have seen me, and I've sent photos. They just can't believe it either, so I'm really, really pleased with it. When I was leaving Australia, I thought I would have a couple of crowns at the front and a couple of bridges here and there, and I really wasn't sure, so I needed direction from the staff here. And I spoke to the dentist who did it, Dr. Tan. I don't know her full name, but she just said it's Dr. Tan. She was really lovely. She explained the whole procedure and why I had to have done what I had done, and it was terrific. She did such a good job. I have a friend who has been to the Sea Smile Clinic in Phuket, and I was talking to her about it, and she is always on the internet, and she recommended this place because, as she said to me, look, Michael, you know I Google everything for 12 months and check it out, and this is the best. She was right. It is the best. That's terrific. I didn't know a lot about it. There's so many clinics, so you really can't tell. So you have to go by word of mouth, I think. Each clinic has their own references and testimonials from people. But to have someone I know come here and have work done and be so thrilled with it, that's what made my mind up to come here. It's been a bit mixed. We're staying in Patong Beach at Phuket, and it's very, very busy, but we have staying at a hotel resort over the road, which is really nice, so it's easy to come in and out of the clinic, and it's been okay, it's been good. Yeah. Dr. Tan, she's down to earth. She tells you exactly what you should be doing and why you should be doing it, and she's also got a sense of humour that sometimes it comes poking through, but she's so professional. She's always looking after your comfort. She said to me she was going to give me a couple of blocks on some of the things she's doing, and I said, oh look, don't worry about it. If it hurts, I'll let you know. And she was doing one thing on my teeth, and I said, stop. And she said, oh, you need blocks. And I said, no, it's tickling. You can't do it. It's tickling. So she had a good laugh, but no, she looks at your comfort the whole time you're here. I'm thrilled, absolutely thrilled. I think it's brilliant. I was really scared I was going to come out with great big teeth and bright white and that type of thing, but the people here take you through the process. You have different types of teeth you can look at and different colours, and someone my age, look, they don't show you the bright bleached white because it would look silly. So the teeth I've got have turned out really well. Your clinic, oh, I think it's so well run. It is, I mean, your corporate wear, you look so presentable, it's so clean, hygienic, all the staff are very demure and friendly, and it's just terrific. I can't say enough about it. It is so good. Yes, without doubt. I already have.
Okay.